Hello everyone, this is Adam from Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia 90. I came to the shop because it wasn't heating up properly. After doing some electrical testing, we found that, first of all, this relay is really burnt on the inside. These relays have like a transparent casing, and as you can see here, there's some soot, that's deposited on the exterior of it, and this relay is partially responsible for heating. So, yeah, that's damaged and needed to be replaced. And then also the control board was also not functioning properly. So chances are that there was some sort of power surge or short that caused these two components to burn out. And yeah, was causing it to not heat. So here I have the machine, it's all heated up, as you can see from the dial right here. There's that steam pressure. You can see that it's heating up to build that pressure back up again. And you can see, yeah, it just activated, and you can see the gauge goes back down. We also have hot water, and it should activate the pump. The pump has some issues with priming. It's a little slow and weak, but we decided not to go through with a pump replacement. And we also have water through the group head. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it for this video. There's no portafilter, so we can't do a test shot. But yeah, that about concludes it for this video. If you like it, please like and or subscribe. Thank you for watching.